Hello student, welcome to my class of computer for class 10th. We are discussing the unit 1 digital documentation, in which we have covered in earlier video the creating, apply and style and their practical also, the first part. Second part, inserting and using the image in document. We have learned how to insert the image, modify the image, drawing the object shapes, positioning them. And now for today, the third part of the topic MC unit 1 is creating and using templates. Okay, so here we learn how to create a template, okay, use predefined template, okay, and set up the custom default template, update documentation, change a different template and use the template. So to do that, student, we have to start OpenOffice software. Okay, so you have to click on text document. So student, before I will start this particular topic, I will teach you what is actually the template. Okay, a template is a model that you use to create for other document also. Okay, for example, you can create a template for business reports that you have company logo and first page. Okay student, in other words, we can say that student, actually template a predefined structure of a particular content, I'm say detailed containers. Okay, in a normal life scenario, you are normally going to the bank or the office. Okay, you usually fill the form, okay, in which you are going to fill your details. You have noticed one important thing in that particular form. The form will be always same for everyone, but detail whatever you are filling is different, might be different or same also. Okay, so it means to say a form is also type of a particular template which designed for withdrawal, deposit, whatever the purpose. Okay student, so same thing in according to the theory we can understand. If you are in a company, I would say you are employee of a company, you are going to design a report for the particular company growth. So you have to take the logo of the company and then watermark of the company, okay, everything, letterhead of the company, everything is same, but you are not going to design it again and again, okay, in by your own end. So to save your time, okay, the template is introduced. Okay, so in this particular topic we will learn how to create a template. So you have to open a particular OpenOffice, and suppose that if I'm going to create my template, which is simply as a heading, okay, hi, this is my template. Okay, to decorate it, I will keep it in center, bold letter, some sizes different, and orange color. Okay student, so I want to make this, I am going to save this as a template. So what I will do, I have to go to file, and then after that I have to go to template and then save option. It will open this window. So in my template you have to select MC your name. So here you can type template1 as a number, you have to save it. Okay, and now another way how to create a template, close this, don't need to save this file because we have saved this file in a template. So we have to open OpenOffice again. Okay, and then after that double click this one thing. And now another way to create a template, this is custom template. So you have to go to through the wizard also. There are number of the template that is suggested by the wizard, that is letter, fax, agenda, presentation, web, okay, page, document converter, euro converter, address and data source. So you have to select any one of them, and then after that you need to click according to your need, that is business letter, form, that is formal, page letter, personal letter, and then keep next or next. It will open a new particular format for you. Okay, so now we have learned how to create a template. I am just save a template. Okay, how to create a template through the wizard also. Through the wizard you will do it in home also student. And now how to open a template. Okay student, to do that you have to go to file, and after that go to new option. Okay, in new option you have to click on template and documents, and make sure that you have to select template option and select template one and press open button. So you can see the template you have created is open. Okay student, now how to apply your template in a document. So suppose that this is the document which I not saved yet. So what I will do, I will just copy the same content to make the content. Okay, so here is my content. Okay, I will do one thing, I will select it by drag option. Okay, then after that you have to do one thing, control A button, control C button, that is copy. Then after that go to open office option and then hit enter. Okay, so what we are going to do students, we are going to open a particular template. So we have to open a template. Okay student, so we are going to apply. Now what you will do, enter and then paste it. So now you can see I have applied our template in a document. Okay student, and now you can save it. Now go to save option and then data and press OK and press save option. Okay, now how to update a document, that is a template. Okay, so the third topic we will understand of the particular this one thing, update a document. Okay, so how to update a document. To do that you have to go to file, go to template and then organize option, my template, select your template, click on this. Okay, then edit. Okay, here you type for class 10th. Okay, and then after that you have to save it. Okay, and now close this. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this particular template again to check whether my updation done or not. So go to file and then click on template and document and double click on template. Now you can see template has changed. Okay student, so we have learned how to update a document or how to change different template. Okay, and how to use a template. So suppose that if I'm going to create a new template. Okay student, so here organize option. So here number of the option are available here, my template, presentation background, everything, blue, gray, whatever. Okay, so you can do in that also. So student, we have learned today how to create a template. Okay, first point we have covered, user defined template. Okay, and predefined template means through the wizard. Okay, set a custom default template, we have design a custom default, updated a documentation and change different template also and use the template also. So student, we have learned the how to create a template. Okay, I will give you the some notes regarding to this particular exercise. Okay, in which we will learn how to create a template, how to organize template, everything is mentioned here. Okay, and keep learning well. Till then, have a nice day.